Hey, this is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing, back with another video. And today we're going to talk about how to create a website for mobile detailing business. So let's go ahead and get into it. So there's a couple of different websites you can use to create a mobile detailing business. Some of the websites that I used over the span of my detailing business was Shopify was our website that we started with. Google also has a website. They don't have that platform anymore. And then also you have Square website, which is what I'm using now with our Square appointments. And then we also have GoDaddy has a website platform as well. So those are 4 different platforms that you can use for your website. I'm gonna try to go over some pros and cons, but more likely I'm gonna go into like scheduling and stuff as we get through this video. So let's go ahead and first talk about Shopify and my process with them. So I started my website, my business with Shopify, built it to over 6 figures with Shopify, and Shopify was a great platform for us. Everything worked great. It took a lot of learning over the time. I learned how to build it out myself. Over time, I built it, and I kind of built the brand with Shopify website. I would say that you could do it yourself. You don't need to hire anyone. You may want to have somebody like me or someone else actually walk you through like the steps of how to do certain things and what's needed to like build your business to make your rank online for SEO and stuff like that. But overall, uh, the website builder is easy and it's easy to work with. The only thing that you will have to do is you will have to use some links and code to actually get your website booking on the website of Square with the Shopify. So they don't have in-house booking unless you integrate with another system. So that's something that you have to figure out. Now, when it goes to GoDaddy has in-house booking. You connect it with your Google Calendar, and you connect it that way. But GoDaddy is not that developed on that platform. I think they also connect with Wix, so you can connect your Wix website with GoDaddy, and y'all can connect that way. I didn't spend too much time on there. I just tried it out, and I quickly moved back. Another platform will be the one that we use now, which is Square uh, website, online website the with the actual appointment booking system. So the reason we use that is because everything is integrated. Square did this thing where they creating a full service platform for payments, booking, scheduling, CRM, website, everything in one. So that's how they really got me uh, involved in their system, and over time, I just pretty much I adapted the system. So the system works great. Everything is connected. Everything works fine together, and it's also SEO user friendly. The website builder is easy once you actually get out there and you try it. A lot of the things that I didn't know how to do, I wish I would have just spent more time on it, learning it. Now that I'm working in the office, and not in the field working on the business, I'm able to like dig into those things and learn a lot about how to pretty much work all these systems a lot better to get better results. So some of the things that I learned since I've been working out of the field has been like more about the SEO aspect, how to create pages more, how I got more familiar with it. So the more familiar you could become with the thing, the more likely you're able to like do it again. So I got more familiar with that, and then also just learning about backlinks a little bit more. So I was able to yesterday. One thing that I did that was big was I paid for some backlinks. Those backlinks were backlinks that I found within my SEO software that I use to manage my SEO. Tasks that I need to do, opportunities on the backlinks, tracking keywords and stuff like that. I was able to actually find some opportunities there, and I found out someone that I can pay to get some backlinks. Some of the ones that my top competitors have on Google, that has that first couple spots in the Google search. So I took those and I added it to uh, my inquiry, and they was able to get that set up. Also, um, I paid for a Google ad spam blocker. So with that spam blocker, that pretty much from my Google ads that's running, it's preventing any spam bots, all that kind of stuff from actually clicking on my ads again over and over again, which is costing me money. So so far in the last 2 days, I already saved like $10. It's like $80 a month. Um, I run my campaign for 30 days, so $10 in like 3 days, 2 days already, and I'm already saving money. So this is definitely something I want to continue to keep because of how much it's helping already. Also, another thing I did was conversion tracking. I learned how to manage what is called, not Zapper, I think it's Zapper, but it's used to pretty much automate some tasks. So I learned how to use that, and I was able to automatic customer builder within my Google ad campaign. I was able to connect Square and Zapper to my Google ad for conversions, and I believe that helped a whole lot. Before it was just showing so many conversions, and I also learned how to my Google Tag Manager, how to combine all my Google tags together to get better performance overall of what's going on my website. So with all those things that's going on, I've been able to like really get a hold of some of the things that I've been trying to like figure out my business for years by just these last 3 weeks of really digging. And I think going on 4 weeks of really just digging into the business, working on the business as opposed to working in the business. So this has been great. It's a great idea to pull yourself out. It's going to be hard to manage your bills because you're going to have to need money to survive. So one thing that helped me is creating another source of income on the backside. So since I've been working out of the field, I've created another source of income. Not I created it beforehand, but I did it beforehand so that I can be able to be in this position today. I'm not going to talk much about it, but just I'm getting paid dividend and for money that I got that I put into work. So I'm getting paid in my sleep, basically. It's enough to cover some of my bills, so I do need the business to perform so that I can still like cover day-to-day expenses, like the small stuff, the phone bill and stuff like that. So business still has to continue. I still have to produce and perform and make an impact, man. So that's it for today. Today we talked about website building. We talked about different ways that you can expand your business by using automations. We talked about so many other things, man. So hopefully y'all got something from this. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay tuned. Comment if y'all have any question in the comment section. And let me know, man, do you all have a website and what system do y'all use? Get y'all next time.